Day 1 of 100 of Freedom Project. Ang goal ko is kumita ng 100k in 100 days. Hi, ako si Loy Boy. For the past 2 years, I have been doing different side hustles in pursuit of time and financial freedom. May bachelor's degree ako pero I don't think corporate world is really for me. I want to be my own boss, do whatever I want, and experience all the best things in life. Kumita naman ako ng at least $500,000 in revenue pero something is lacking, and that is consistency. Naniniwala ako na magagawa ko lang yon if I will let myself to be myself, commit, and follow what I really want in life. I know it's not gonna be easy, kaya save this, like this, and samahan niyo ako in my 100 days of Freedom Project. Okay, naisip ko, the fastest way to make money is through digital marketing. Yung knowledge ko at napag-aralan ko for the past 2 years ay i-apply ko dito. Since magsisimula ulit ako from scratch, naghanap muna ako ng remote job na magbibigay sa akin ng money. Kasi ang belief ko, I need to make money so that I can use that money to make me more money. Money. Luckily, natanggap naman ako sa isang BPO. Yung kikitain ko dito, itatabi ko yung portion to start a business na sa tingin ko magiging profitable kahit na mababa lang yung starting capital. Para mas masaya, when I hit 100k, ibibigay ko yung 10k sa person na magla-like, comment, and share ng video na to. If you want to join me in this journey, yung mechanics nasa bio. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa Freedom Project. Let's go. Hey, ikaw muna.